And now I'm at the Bisra Chowk of Rourkela, and today we are here to visit the Akhayasila Waterfall. So you see there, that is the station of Rourkela, and to the right side of me is the way to the waterfall. So let us start the journey and see what it looks like. Come on. So after finally 1 hour of journey and after traveling for 23 kilometers in the car, we have finally reached the destination, that is the Akhayasila Waterfall. So the travel from Rourkela to here was okay. In some places it was like really well maintained, but in some places the road was a bit rough and there were lots of holes and ducks in it. So anyhow we reached here. And now we will be going. Already there is some kind of picnic here or something, because I can hear Param Sundari, and some few minutes ago I also heard that song Dilwar. So now let's go and check it out. Come on. So friends, this is the final location of the Akhayasila, and this is the waterfall. The Akhayasila Waterfall is this one, and now you can see that this is actually a picnic spot. I thought we have to climb and get to a mountain and there we will see the waterfall, but it is actually a picnic spot. And I just saw a family bring in stove and all. They are going to cook here. So anyways, this is the way, and it's quite beautiful actually. Okay guys, so I'm here like sitting on a rock cliff, and yeah, it's a small waterfall, like 2 or 3 feet, but it's like quite peaceful here. Okay, fine. So look, there is all songs, but if it was silent, and it's like a really peaceful place, and I feel good. Like honestly, I feel good spending my time with nature.
क्या आपको पता है अक्षयशिला वाटरफॉल सबसे बड़ा, सबसे पीसफुल, सबसे सुंदर वाटरफॉल नहीं है, कतई नहीं है। अच्छा लग रहा है टाइम स्पेंड करने में, लेकिन इतना मजा नहीं आ रहा।
Okay guys, so now there is a bit peace here because all the music have quieted down for some reason, and yeah, this waterfall place is actually a really good place, but only for picnics. Like if you want to visit for a short period of time, if you want to feel some adventure and all things, then only 15 minutes is enough for this place, not more than it. Because literally here there is only the waterfall and the peak mountain that you can climb. That's all.
This is okay.
But for picnic, it's a really great spot. Really pretty spot.